Master project management to build a thriving business. Ever wondered how successful entrepreneurs manage their projects to achieve incredible results? It's more than just luck or intuition. It's about leveraging effective project management techniques. These strategies enable entrepreneurs to navigate challenges, streamline processes, and ultimately achieve their ambitious goals. In the world of entrepreneurship, project management is crucial. It ensures that every aspect of a venture is well organized and efficiently executed. By applying systematic planning and oversight, entrepreneurs can better allocate resources, manage risks, and deliver on their promises. Project management is the practice of planning, executing, and closing projects. It involves setting clear objectives, defining tasks, allocating resources, and monitoring progress. This structured approach helps ensure that projects are completed on time, within scope, and on budget. Entrepreneurship and project management are intimately linked. The skills and techniques of project management, such as goal setting, task prioritization, and risk assessment, are directly applicable to entrepreneurial endeavors. Mastering these skills can significantly enhance an entrepreneur's ability to succeed. Setting clear, achievable goals is paramount. Without well-defined objectives, it's easy to lose direction and motivation. By establishing specific targets, entrepreneurs can maintain focus, measure progress, and celebrate milestones, making the journey toward success more structured and rewarding. Setting clear, achievable goals is paramount for any successful entrepreneur. Clear goals provide a roadmap, helping to navigate the complexities of running a business. They focus efforts, align teams, and ensure everyone knows what success looks like. Introducing the SMART criteria can transform goal setting into a powerful tool. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals provide clarity and direction. These criteria help entrepreneurs create actionable plans, track progress, and adjust strategies for optimal results. Prioritizing tasks is essential for managing both time and resources effectively. By identifying the most critical tasks, entrepreneurs can focus their efforts where they matter most. This approach ensures that high-impact activities receive the attention they deserve. Effective time management is crucial for maintaining productivity and avoiding burnout. Entrepreneurs can benefit from techniques like time blocking, setting deadlines, and minimizing distractions. Implementing these strategies helps in making the most of each day's limited hours. Project management tools like Trello and Asana can revolutionize the way entrepreneurs organize their work. These tools offer functionalities for task tracking, collaboration, and deadline management. They provide a centralized platform, making project oversight more streamlined and efficient. Breaking down tasks into smaller, manageable pieces allows entrepreneurs to tackle projects more efficiently. This approach mitigates overwhelm, ensures steady progress, and keeps the team focused. Smaller tasks are easier to delegate and track, leading to more consistent achievements. Efficient resource management is crucial for any entrepreneurial venture. By allocating resources wisely, entrepreneurs can maximize productivity and minimize waste. This involves not just managing physical assets, but also effectively utilizing time and human capital to sustain business growth and success. Budgeting and financial planning are essential for maintaining a healthy business. Entrepreneurs must create realistic budgets and track expenses rigorously. Proper financial planning ensures that the business remains solvent, can handle unexpected costs, and is prepared for future growth opportunities. Identifying and mitigating risks is vital for business stability. Entrepreneurs should conduct thorough risk assessments and develop contingency plans. Being proactive about potential challenges helps minimize disruptions and ensures the business can navigate uncertainties with confidence and resilience. Adaptability and flexibility are key traits for entrepreneurial success. The business landscape is ever-changing, and the ability to pivot quickly in response to market shifts or unexpected challenges is invaluable. Entrepreneurs who embrace change are better equipped to seize new opportunities. Clear and effective communication is the cornerstone of successful project management. It ensures that everyone is on the same page and understands their roles. Miscommunication can lead to errors and delays, making it crucial to maintain open and transparent dialogue. Building and managing a strong team is essential for achieving project goals. A cohesive team brings diverse skills and perspectives, fostering innovation and efficiency. Strong leadership and mutual respect create an environment where team members can thrive and collaborate effectively. Delegating tasks effectively is vital for project success. It allows leaders to focus on strategic planning while empowering team members to take ownership of their responsibilities. Clear delegation fosters trust and ensures that tasks are completed efficiently and competently. Monitoring and evaluating progress helps keep projects on track. Regular check-ins and performance reviews identify potential issues early, allowing for timely adjustments. This proactive approach ensures that the project stays aligned with its goals and deadlines. Effective problem-solving techniques are crucial for overcoming challenges. Identifying the root cause of issues and brainstorming potential solutions can prevent minor problems from escalating. A systematic approach to problem-solving ensures that setbacks are managed swiftly and efficiently. Staying organized is crucial for maintaining efficiency and ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. Use calendars, to-do lists, and digital tools to keep track of tasks and deadlines. Organization helps streamline processes and reduces the likelihood of errors. Keeping motivation high is essential for sustained productivity. Set short-term milestones to celebrate small wins and keep the team energized. Regularly update everyone on progress and achievements to foster a sense of accomplishment and maintain momentum. A customer-focused approach ensures that your products or services meet market needs. Regularly gather customer feedback and make adjustments accordingly. Understanding and prioritizing customer requirements can lead to higher satisfaction and long-term loyalty, driving business success. Receiving and implementing feedback is vital for continuous improvement. Create channels for customers and team members to share their insights. Constructive feedback helps identify strengths and areas for improvement, facilitating better decision-making and fostering a culture of openness. Embrace continuous learning to stay competitive and innovative. Attend workshops, read industry publications, and seek mentorship opportunities. Encouraging a learning mindset within your team can lead to new ideas, improved skills, and sustained business growth. Building a strong network is essential for any entrepreneur. It opens doors to new opportunities, provides valuable insights, and fosters collaborative partnerships that can drive business growth. Engaging with industry peers can offer fresh perspectives and innovative ideas. Effective marketing strategies are crucial for business success. They help in reaching the target audience, building brand awareness, and driving sales. Utilizing digital marketing, social media, and content marketing can significantly enhance visibility and engagement with potential customers. Understanding legal requirements is vital to avoid potential pitfalls. Compliance with regulations, securing necessary licenses, and protecting intellectual property are essential steps. Staying informed about legal changes ensures that the business operates smoothly and avoids costly legal issues. Scaling up a business requires careful planning and execution. It involves optimizing operations, expanding the customer base, and possibly securing additional funding. Focusing on scalability from the start ensures that growth is sustainable and aligned with long-term goals. Apply these project management skills to your entrepreneurial journey. They provide a solid foundation for navigating challenges, seizing opportunities, and achieving success. Embrace these practices to build a thriving business, continuously evolving and improving along the way. Like, share, subscribe, follow. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more video.